Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Tammy Live. I'm Tammy and today we're going to be making, let me get a Philly cheese with everything. Yes guys, we're going to be making a Philly cheesesteak sandwich that's going to be absolutely delicious and out of this world. So without further ado guys, let's introduce these ingredients and get started. All right guys, we have right here some sirloin steak guys. Yes we do. We also have some diced onions as well as garlic powder, salt and ground black pepper, as well as Worcestershire sauce. We also have some provolone cheese and white American cheese, and we have our bread on deck. Without further ado, we are gonna start cooking. This grill right here is hot and ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna add some oil, just a little bit, and we are gonna start off by adding these onions, guys, and getting these onions nice and caramelized. Get the onions out the way, because you can't have a Philly cheesesteak without caramelized onions, right? Absolutely. How is everybody doing? I hope everyone is doing great. Get back over here. Where you think you're going? If it's one thing, guys, when you walk into the deli, or if you grew up in New York, Kennedy Fried Chicken, or any spot, or even Crown Chicken, the first thing you smell is the onions, honestly. Or, for the most part, if you live in Philly, the cheesesteak headquarters, the first thing you're going to smell when you walk in there is a nice smell of onions. That smell is like, wow. All right, these are starting to get nice and brown and caramelized, and we're about to be in business, guys. Leave it right here, let it do its thing. As a matter of fact, it's almost done, so why don't we just push it on over to the side. Let it continue to caramelize over here, right? Push it right on over. Alrighty. We are gonna add a little bit more oil. Just right here and right there. And we're gonna spread it throughout our grill. And we are going to add our sirloin steak, guys. You know what? I think I add all. I'm gonna add all 4 pieces. And we are gonna get to chopping. I can't wait to sink my teeth into the sandwich, guys. This thing is gonna be good. All right, what we're gonna do is, guys, we are going to add a little bit of salt, just a little bit, not too much, as well as ground black pepper. Season up this meat. And I'm gonna add a little garlic powder, because I want all the flavors, not just a little bit, but I want all the flavors. We're also going to add some Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna make this meat tasty and juicy. Tasty and juicy. Add some more. Our meat is getting there, guys. It's almost done. It's almost done. It's getting there. Flip these onions over. Look at the nice caramelization that just took place with these onions, guys. Nice and brown. Perfect. Yo, everything smells so good. It smells so good, guys. At this point, guys, we are going to add our onions to our steak. We're just gonna push it on over and incorporate the two, just like that. Just like that. Push it on over. Allow it to do its thing. Let it sit right here. And in the meanwhile, we are gonna go grab our bread right here, and we're gonna hit it off with a little mayo. If you don't wanna add mayo, you can always add butter. And what we're gonna do is we are gonna toast our buns. We're gonna toast it. Let that oil get on that bread because it's gonna help it to be nice and moist. It's gonna keep that moisture in there. Put it up in that oil, guys. Give it about 2 more minutes, and we are about to put the sandwich together, or should I say this Philly cheesesteak, and everything is gonna be, whoa, I can't wait, guys, honestly. You just know when something is gonna be so good. You just can't wait. The anticipation is like killing you. You're like, oh my God, I can't wait. All right, we are gonna parcel it off into 2 sections. Make sure we got enough meat. And at this point in time, guys, we are going to add, if I don't drop it. So the first one, guys, we're gonna add our provolone cheese. For those of us who may prefer provolone. And for those of us who prefer American cheese, we're gonna add some white American cheese. Put it right there. And we are gonna allow everything to get nice and melted. Nice and melted. Look, take it on in, guys. Look at the cheese just melting. Woo! Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, our bread is finished. So we are gonna flip this bad boy over. We're gonna scoop all of that meat right into our sandwich. This thing is hot, guys. Woo, child. And we're gonna close it up. And yeah. And we're gonna get it off this grill. For sandwich number 2, guys, we are going to add a little bit of ketchup to our toasted bread. How many of us like ketchup on our Philly cheese? And we are going to take in the back part of the bread. We're just gonna place it right here. And we are gonna scoop everything up. Ow. Just like that. And get all this meat, and we are done. Woo-wee. So we have a Philly cheese with provolone cheese, and we have one with ketchup and mayo and American cheese, guys. All right, guys, give me 2 seconds so I can stage it and get this taste test done, and I'll let you guys know what everything tastes like, and we'll be right back, guys. Of course, I got to bring you up for your up close in person. As you can see, our provolone Philly cheese is done, and our Philly cheese with American cheese is sitting right besides it, and that's done as well. We got that extra ketchup in case we want to dip, and dip some more. Yes, guys, this Philly cheesesteak, or should I say these Philly cheesesteaks, are absolutely gorgeous, and I know they're going to taste off the hook. It's about that time, guys. It's taste test time, and your girl is ready to sink her teeth into these delicious Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. Without further ado, I'm just gonna go in, guys. I'm not gonna wait anymore. This is our Philly cheese with our American cheese, and boy, does this thing look good, guys. Take a close look. Mm-hmm. I'm just going in, as you guys can see. And this is our Philly cheese with our provolone cheese. The bread is toasted perfectly. The meat, guys, is everything. That's what makes a perfect Philly cheese. Not only a good quality cheese, but the meat as well. Once the meat is seasoned perfectly and is added to a delicious toasted bun, whoa, absolutely phenomenal. Wow. Guys, definitely give this recipe a try, especially for game day. And just because, oh my God, absolutely delicious. I love Philly cheesesteaks. I love chicken cheesesteaks and Philly cheesesteaks. Always so delicious. Anyway, guys, as always, thank you so much for cooking with Tammy. I'm your girl, Tammy. And I know I got to do my closeout. I know I have to do my outro. But honestly, I just want to take another bite. Thank you so much for tuning in. And as always, all recipe details, cookingwithtammy.recipes. And I catch you guys in another video. I'm about to tear these sandwiches apart, literally. Anyway, guys, catch you later. Bye, guys.